Let's contrast second messengers for these receptors. Second messengers for these receptors. Let's put M1, M2, M3, the 7 times transmembrane receptors, yeah? M4, M5 receptors. After that, alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Sometimes I draw 7 times, sometimes not 7 times, just to illustrate to you, yeah? So, acetylcholine acts on M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 receptors, and let's say epinephrine, norepinephrine, acts on alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3 receptors. All these receptors are G protein couplet receptors. M1 couplet with GQ, M2 with GI, M3 GQ, M4 GI, M5 GQ, alpha 1 couplet with GQ receptor protein, alpha 2 GI, and beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3 receptors couplet with GS proteins. What does that mean? It means that for M1 receptors, or M1 receptors act through inositol triphosphate diacylglycerol and calcium cascade, GI adenylate cyclase and CMP, again GQ inositol triphosphate diacylglycerol, yeah? GQ, again GQ IP3 diacylglycerol. This is important to memorize all these second messengers. Here I'm writing CMP, and again CMP, MP, and GS, again cyclic adenosine monophosphate cascade. Yeah, but what does it mean, and how to memorize these things? Look, M1 receptors, M3 and M5 and alpha 1 couplet with calcium inositol triphosphate diacylglycerol cascade. Yeah, so most likely a result of excitation of these receptors, or a result of binding of ligands with these receptors, will be either contraction of muscles, yeah, smooth muscles, either contraction or secretion of something, because secretion is also active process that required calcium ions. M2, M4 and alpha 2 receptors couplet with GI or inhibitory G protein, yeah, GI is an inhibitory protein, and this inhibitory G protein inhibits adenylate cyclase, and as a result of inhibition of adenylate cyclase, we have decreasing in cyclic adenosine monophosphate level. And beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3 receptors couplet with GS or stimulatory G protein. They stimulate activity of cyclic adenosine, stimulate activity of adenylate cyclase and increase amount of cyclic adenosine monophosphate.